In the high-stakes arena of industrial automation, the BizLink LSH3 is engineered for high performance. To keep it at peak efficiency, your team needs the manufacturer's edge. As the creators of the LSH3, we've designed an online masterclass to help you install, optimize, troubleshoot, and maintain your cable management solution. Learn to optimize the dress pack for your specific robot pathing, ensuring every millimeter of movement is precise and protected. Experience virtual labs that challenge technicians to master system tuning in a risk-free environment before stepping onto the floor. Go beyond the basics. Master the inspection points that allow you to identify wear and failure stages early and maintain zero downtime status. Learn to equip your team with the manufacturer-recommended tools and torque specs to ensure every installation is factory perfect. Maximize the lifespan of your equipment. Protect your investment with the skills only the manufacturer can provide. BizLink LSH3 Training. Professional precision for a high-performance world. Enroll your team today.